Chicken lasagna is a delicious and hearty meal that's perfect for any occasion. Here's a step-by-step recipe to make it at home. Ingredients: 12 lasagna noodles, 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, 1/2 cup of chopped green bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cups of marinara sauce. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cook the lasagna noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. In a large bowl, mix together the shredded cooked chicken, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Set aside. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, green bell pepper, and minced garlic. Cook until the vegetables are tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the flour to the pan and stir until well combined. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly pour in the milk, stirring constantly until the sauce is smooth and thickened. Add the dried basil, salt, and black pepper to the sauce and stir well. Spread a thin layer of marinara sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Place 3 lasagna noodles on top of the sauce. Spread 1/3 of the chicken and cheese mixture on top of the noodles, followed by 1/3 of the remaining marinara sauce and 1/3 of the sauce from the saucepan. Repeat the layers of lasagna noodles, chicken and cheese mixture, marinara sauce, and sauce from the saucepan 2 more times, ending with a layer of sauce from the saucepan on top. Sprinkle the remaining 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese on top of the lasagna. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake for 25 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let the lasagna cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken lasagna.